Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to draw development of lateral surface of cone using Fusion 360 software. So problem statement is like this. Draw development of lateral surface of cone of base diameter 60 mm and axis 100 mm when auxiliary inclined plane is cutting its axis 50 mm from base at 45 degree. So this is the Fusion 360 software. So first we will create a cone. So create sketch, select vertical plane to draw the sketch. Now here draw one line, inclined line like this. Press enter key. Then give the dimensions to this. So by revolving this line we will generate the cone. So this is the base. So here dimension we can give. So diameter is 60. So this radius will be 30. So enter 30. Then this point should be horizontal with respect to this point. So use constraint horizontal vertical. Select this point and select this center. So it will become horizontal. Then take again dimension command. This is apex, and from this base its height is given. So it is 100. So enter 100 here. Also this point and this point should be vertical. Again take horizontal vertical constraint. Select this point and this. It will become vertical. Now to draw the development of lateral surfaces in Fusion 360, we need to work in sheet metal and we need to add the thickness. So if we add the thickness, this upper part may overlap. So we will remove small part of this cone from top direction. So from this line onwards, we will remove. So let us take 10 mm from apex and we will erase this upper part of the cone. So this is unwanted line. Then we will finish this sketch. Then go to surface and use revolve command. So here we have to select the profile. So one profile is already selected because there is only one line. So this is already selected. Then we have to select the axis. So here this is the axis around which we have to revolve this line to generate the cone. So we can select this. Then we have to unfold this sheet metal. So instead of giving this complete 360 degree, we will give 359 degree angle for rotation. 359 and click OK. So we can see 3D profile. We can see 3D profile by using shift and scroll button. So there is small gap because this is 1 degree. We have kept open so that we can unfold this cone. Now this is not actually sheet metal. We have drawn this cone in surface because in sheet metal we cannot directly draw this type of cone. Now we have to convert this surface into sheet metal. So for that, go to sheet metal, select here flange command, and here we have to select that line. So here that line is hidden, so we can click on this, so that line will be visible now. So select this line and we have to draw flange in this small gap. So arrow should be reversed. So we can give minus 0.1. So still there is small gap, but here at top there is no gap. So we can reduce this distance. We can give minus 0.01. So now there is small gap, and here keep orientation side 1, direction one side, then operation new body and sheet metal rule we have selected aluminum. So press OK. So this is flange now, and we will add thickness to this surface of the cone. So this part is sheet metal part and this is surface. So we will join the surface to the sheet metal so that it will form one body and it will be considered as sheet metal. So again go to surface, click on create, and here we can select this command thicken. So click on this. Now on inner surface we have to add the thickness. Now before this we have to add the thickness of this surface equal to thickness of the sheet metal. So we can see the thickness of sheet metal. So for that go to sheet metal, then go to modify. Here there is option change parameters. So click on this, and here click on this sheet metal rule, then aluminum mm. So here thickness of aluminum sheet is 2 mm. So we have to add thickness to this surface 2 mm. So go to surface, click on create, and here there is option thicken. So click on this and select inner surface of the cone. Now here we have to add the thickness. So it is 2 mm. Then here operation should be join. So we have to join this thickness with the flange and click on OK. So see here still there is small gap, but if we draw this cone up to apex, then at apex it may overlap. So that's why we have removed this upper part. Now we can see here bodies. So this is actually surface and this is sheet metal. So if you see here, this complete body is sheet metal now. And we can go to sheet metal, and here in modify there is option unfold. So here first we need to select stationary entity. So we have drawn here flange. We have drawn here one flange. So that part we can select as stationary, and this curved surface we can unfold. So here we have to select stationary entity. So select this flange. Okay. Then we have to select bends. So here it is highlighted. So click on this curved surface. So it will be unfolded like this. So this is development of cone. Press on OK. Now according to problem, we have to draw the development of surface when auxiliary inclined plane cutting its axis 50 mm from the base. So again click on this refold button. We will draw its axis and we will cut this cylinder by given auxiliary inclined plane. Click on create sketch and select vertical plane. Now here we have to draw inclined plane. So draw one horizontal line. Press enter, and this horizontal line from base it is at 50. So give distance of this line from the base, it is 50. And we have to draw cutting plane. So we can draw in this direction or in this direction. So from the center we can draw a line at 45 inclination like this. Press enter key, and we can extend this line in this direction. So in modify there is one command extend. So this line we have to extend up to this base, but here there is no any line. So we have to extend this line in this direction. So for reference I will draw one line here like this, and I will extend this line up to this line. So click on modify, select extend, select this line. So automatically it will extend up to this next line. Then click enter. So we do not need this line, so I will select and delete. I do not need this line also, I will select and delete. Now we will complete its loop, and we will use extrude command to remove this upper part. So again by using line command we will complete this closed loop like this. Then click on finish sketch, click on home. Now here in sheet metal there is extrude command. So click on this extrude, and here operation is cut, and we need to cut on both sides, and select here symmetric and move this arrow and click on OK. So in this way this cone will cut. So we will take this cone on sheet. So click on design, drawing. From design we can give name to this sheet, development of lateral surface of cone. Click save, click OK, and place this cone here. Click on OK. Then we can project its isometric view. So select this, and here we can place isometric view. Now go to this tab and we have to get its development. So again go to modify, select unfold. So here we have to select first stationary entity. So by using shift scroll we can rotate, zoom in, and we have to select here stationary entity. So select this stationary entity, then zoom out. Now we have to select bends. So we can select this curved surface. So automatically we will get development of that cone. Click on OK. Now we can take this development in this sheet. So go to design, drawing. From design, now here instead of create new, select name of this sheet untitled. So select this, then sheet it is sheet 1 only. In same sheet we have to add, and click OK. So here we can place this base view, click OK. Then by using this projected view command, select this line and we can project the development like this. We can enlarge size 1:1 like this. One is to one like this. We can move as per your requirement. We can also add this by image. So here go to file and capture image. So by using this option we can capture this image and then we can add into this sheet, and click on this capture image. Remove this transparent background and enable, untick this both option, click on OK. So give the name to this image and we will save this image on desktop. So click on save. So that image is saved on desktop. So go to this sheet and here there is option insert. So click on this and insert image. So insert from my computer, go to desktop. So here it is development of lateral surface of cone. So select this and open, and we can place here like this. We can increase its size. So it is scale 1. So we can increase it like this. We can zoom in like this also. So we can get shaded portion for this cone like this. Click on this click on this boundary and we can enlarge its scale like this, and then we can export this here, and we can export this. Here we can add text also, so click on text, and here we will copy and paste the problem statement. We can decrease the size, click on close, and then we can export as a PDF. All set, press OK. Then select path as desktop and save. Here we can see this PDF, so we can take printout of this PDF. Thank you.